what's up? Today I'm here with Beauty Forever hair. Yeah, so this is how the box is. It says Beauty Forever for your forever beauty, and it has hair care tips and all that stuff on the back of the box, so that's good. Open the box, and we're working with blonde hair today. So I have a wig cap, as you can see. I have the wig, and lastly I have a elastic band. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's a very exciting thing when also other stuff come in my package. It makes me so excited because this is like a standard package, you know, but it's still cute, you know. It's still cool. But yeah, so today's wig is a 613 wig. It has dark roots. It's not super dark, so I like that. Sometimes I don't like when the roots are like you know, black. I like the brown subtle look of the roots. It's straight texture, as you can see. It's 20 inches long. I'm going to put the density in the description box. I don't quite remember if it's 150. It feels like 150, but just to be sure, check the description box. It's a 13 by 4 lace front, as you can see, and yeah, this is how it looks. Cap construction is standard. 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and the hair is really nice. Even though it's 613, I'm not gonna lie, it don't give me that super yellow vibe. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you know, sometimes you get the hair, you know, say, all right, but definitely I figure, you know, tone this. You could get away with not toning it. I don't know, it definitely don't look as yellow. So yeah, but if you want to still tone it, you can go in and do that. But guess what, guys, today I'm gonna have my mom be my model again. So she's the one I'm installing this on. Oh, the front is also pre-plucked, so that's good. Always makes life easier, always does. And it feels nice, you know. Of course, it's on the coarser side, but it feels good. It's full. I love that. It's not stringy, so that's nice. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into applying this. You know, my mother, she is excited for this. I don't think it's only one time I recall putting on blonde hair, a blonde wig on her, and it was a bob, and it was a long time ago. So yeah, I know she's gonna be excited about this look.
Hi guys, how are you? Hope you had a lovely holiday.
This is not the culture.
Why, my body? That is not the culture. Your ear, though.
Your ear smell like salmon.
Yeah, my ear is well kept, you know.
With this color, mommy?
Good. I must say, I like them color your skin.
Ain't that too bold for you?
No. I like to explore and such.
So I'm just gonna go, and I'm gonna use my Got to Be as usual and just start applying everything.
Don't be afraid of falling, cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor.
side part today, because the last time I remember when I applied a wig, it was a center part. Also, it here is a little casty right now, but I'm going to blend that in with just a little bit of face powder in a few, so you guys know that I just go in with a wax stick. And this is what I'm gonna do, and then I'll move on to straightening my hair, guys. So I'm listen, I don't even straighten the hair as yet, and it looks so good. Like, mommy is smiling.
Yeah.
She looking in the viewfinder. She listen, you will hide all the mirrors. Mommy going to try her best to still see how she look. I'm just going to jump into straightening the hair. It's just a simple glam, nothing serious. So that's what I'm gonna move on to doing right now. So I'm gonna fast forward this portion. Was so easy to straighten. It really wasn't a lot of work. I mean, it's already straight here, but I get more and more amazed with the quality of these recent 613 blonde wigs. Like, they're like very silky. This is extremely silky, and I really have to commend Beauty Forever on this quality. Usually I get 613 here, it's kind of like, you can definitely feel that, you know, yeah, it's processed. This feels very healthy, guys. It's very nice and healthy. How you like it?
Lord, I love it. I love it.
This is the finished look with this blonde wig. It's everything. It's so pretty. I definitely think this is a transformation from this to this. Yes, this wig gets 10 if you're looking for really good, like 613 here. And I'm not getting any shedding, by the way. I'm not getting any shedding. Eventually there will be shedding, don't get me wrong, but initially out the package right now there is no shedding. And I'm going to put the direct link to this in the description box, guys. If you're interested, go ahead and check this wig out. This wig is a 10.
Forever. It's a 10.
Yes, it's a 10. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your thoughts in the comments section, and also like the video if you enjoyed it, if you like the wig, if it was informative, if you're gonna get it, you know, if you like it, and you know, hope that you can get it sometime soon. Yeah, go ahead and share it, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and just want to make up on yourself. So just go and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.